Hello guys, and welcome back to the beautiful garden. This is episode 2 of rebuilding the whole thing. In today's episode, we're just gonna finish off this amazing takeoff. We're gonna dig down a bit more with the digger. I'm gonna do as much work as I can inside of the digger because it's a whopping 0.5 degrees and I'm really freezing my ass off. But that won't matter today because we need to do a lot. Maybe even finish that takeoff and this takeoff, but I don't think I'm gonna do that much today because, like I said, it's very cold. It's supposed to snow today. Hopefully it won't snow, but we'll see later this day. And so yeah, let's just get it started. And just like that, I've acquired some gloves that are way too small, a hoodie, and actually a t-shirt, but at least I have some gloves, so I'm not gonna freeze that much now. I mean, it's only 0.5 degrees, so not that cold. Yeah, the plan for now is to shape this, shape that, untarp it, see the damage, build landing, and then I think it's already dark. So we'll see how long we go today, but I hope we at least get somewhat finished with this takeoff. So yeah, let's go. Yeah, and just like that, it's looking absolutely amazing. Once again, I'm as happy as I could be with the start here. I mean, it's looking so fresh, so good, so nice. Yeah, I'm really happy how it turned out. I think it looks absolutely amazing. I'm not sure what your opinion is about it, but I think it looks very nice. The next thing we need to do now here is to hire the landing of that jump there. It needs to be very high, and this landing needs to be removed and further that way. The next thing we're going to do now is to remove the landing, put it further that way, and I think then we're done for today. Okay, I did just test before I set up the camera here, and I need to say I don't think there's no shaping today, because not everything is dry and not everything is solid, so I'm not sure what to do. I'm gonna try to do it now with you guys, but it's not worth it if it doesn't work, so we'll try. Okay, so yeah guys, I'm done for today. The ground is solid, it's super frozen, it's like dry because it's frozen, so it's not really good to pack in. I mean, it works, but when it will just tarped off all the working things here. Just gonna put on the light, and I mean, it's looking absolutely amazing. It's just like I wanted it to be, like one of these hit dirt jumps. Yeah, you know what I mean, because I think it looks great. I do know that it is much work left to do, but just look at it. I mean, it looks absolutely amazing. I'm not sure if you can see anything, but it looks great. How far we get? I know it's a very short episode, but yeah, I'm sorry for that. But I'll see you next time when it's Power Digs Trails. Yeah, that was it for today. See you next time.